Hello, my name is Sydney Schaefer, and today I'm going to show you how to save a document in Microsoft Word. First, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Microsoft Word, and mine is located here at the right-hand bottom of the screen. If you cannot find your Microsoft Word, you can simply go to your Launchpad, go to the search bar, and type in Microsoft Word, and click. Okay, then next you're going to open a blank document where you can write whatever notes you had to take or an assignment you had to write. Whatever you have to save in your Microsoft Word, this is where you'll do it. So I'm going to write my notes. Okay, now that I have what I want to save into my computer, I have one of two options. I can either go to the top of my screen, top left hand of my screen where it says the word File. I can go all the way down, I can click on File and then go all the way down to Save As. I click on that, and then this will give me the option to title my document how I would like, and then be able to save it wherever I want into my computer. So I can click Downloads, and then I can save it just by clicking Save. Or I can click this button right here, and I could do the same exact thing. Okay, I can save it to my Dropbox. Okay, then I just click Save. And now, if I exit out of Word, go to File, Open. It will be right here in my Dropbox. Grocery list, open, and there it is. All right, thank you very much.